Brad Ross here. I'd like to talk about challenging the beliefs and biases of mining education. Mining has a growing skills gap that exists across much of the industry. This gap impacts how well mining companies and even the entire industry can meet the increasing demand for minerals, implement incredible advances in technology, and adapt to society's changing expectations about how those minerals are produced. But what's driving this gap? One critical factor is that traditional mining education institutions in countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and the European Union are struggling to attract and train enough mining-focused students. Clearly, the status quo is not working. To truly address this issue, we need more than mining education options. We need to question the underlying beliefs and biases that have shaped mining education for decades. We need to ask hard questions and challenge assumptions to avoid the same barriers that have limited traditional education. Questions like, who are the best students for mining? Who are the best people to teach mining? What's the best certification process to identify who has the skills to be a professional? How do we deliver education to anyone who needs it, no matter where? How much should mining education cost? How do we make mining more sustainable and survive economic downturns? What is the best governance model to improve mining education? Why do these questions matter? Well, these questions aren't just theoretical questions. They're the key to making real, lasting changes in the mining education. By addressing them head on, we can uncover innovative solutions to challenges that have hindered the progress of mining education. For example, are we sure we're attracting the right students? What if the best candidates for mining careers aren't traditional students, but experienced workers who could transform into professional roles with the right training? Or consider the role of educators. Should we prioritize people with hands-on experience over those with purely academic backgrounds? The answer to these questions could reshape how we think about mining education and its future. Join in the conversation. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing a series of articles addressing these questions, offering potential solutions, and inviting feedback from industry professionals, educators, policymakers, and anyone passionate about mining's future. Some of you may have other questions that need to be addressed. Others may agree or disagree with the answers I propose. And some may even reject the idea of questioning mining and education altogether, believing that traditional systems are sufficient and don't need to be supplemented. Whatever your perspective, I encourage you to follow this series, share your thoughts, and contribute to the conversation. Together, we can create solutions that not only close the skills gap, but also prepare mining workforce for the future. So what's up next? Who are the best students for mining? All the questions are critical, but the conversation must begin with understanding who we are training and what are their needs. My next post will explore this foundational question and why it's the first step towards a meaningful change in mining education. Thank you for listening and for joining this journey towards a brighter future for mining education. I'm Brad Ross, a mining education advocate and founder of the Global Mining Education Foundation. Thanks again for listening.